Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to start a very beautiful series that is for Python, and I designed this series for the beginner persons or the person who is on advanced level. So we will going to cover everything in this series from scratch. If you are new, no worries, no panic. We will going to learn from scratch step by step, and everything we will going to learn about the Python. So before starting the series, we have to understand that why we have to use the Python, or why Python is so important. So there are many benefits of the Python as compared to other programming language to use. So first of all, this Python language, it helps you to tell a computer what to do, right? Or this is basically a communication way. Like if I want to communicate with one person or another person, so there is a language medium like Hindi, English, Spanish, anything, so that we can convey our thought, our expressions in words to other person. Same way, if you want to talk with your computer, so there should be one programming language. That could be the Java, C Sharp, Ruby, anything. So the same way we have the Python to talk to your computer. So we are using this Python. Now Python having the robust structure of the library. It means that AI, ML, it's really very easy to use to build the agents applications with the help of the Pythons, because Python already provided some dedicated libraries also. So those things we will going to cover in upcoming sessions. Okay. So apart from the AI, Python is used in web development also, and automation framework also. It is really very favorite for all the automation engineers, cybersecurities and data science and cloud computing, and even robotics side also. So many places Python used. It is very easy to learn. So if you want to learn Python, you are not just learning one programming language, you are opening the door to multiple career paths and technology with a single skill. Trust me guys, and this will going to help you to in your career path whenever you are going for an interview. This series will going to help you a lot in terms of the Python coding. So let's get started. Download the Python. So what you had to do is, first of all, you have to navigate to this particular URL. Let me open the Chrome. Let me paste here. So in this particular UI, or in this particular website of Python, you can download the Python installer from here. Okay, or you can go to your browser and you can type as download Python. It will navigate to the same UI where you can download, from where you can download the Python. You can download for your system, right? So once you download this Python, next step is you will get the your installer in your D folder, okay, or download folder. Sorry, download folder. You will get your installer that you have to run. So once you run that your installer, for very important, you will get one pop-up that is called your add Python to the path, right? This is really important, and you have to add, or you have to click that checkbox, right? After that, your Python installer will install downloading in your machine. So it will take around 1 to 3 minutes. It depends on your system efficiency and your network, how fast it is, but definitely it will going to download in your system. So once your download is complete, you can verify that by open that CMD. Once you open that CMD, you can type as Python hyphen version to check whether your Python is successfully installed in your system or not. So once this is done, you will get this version of the Python which is installed successfully in your system. Then you can download the Visual Studio as well. So how you can download that I have provided already one link to you guys. So you can go there and you can download this for Windows, Mac or Linux. For whenever operating system you want, you can download that from in this website, or you can also directly search to how to download Visual Studio Code as well. That will give you some instructions that you can follow. So once you will install the Python in your system. You are having this Visual Studio Code. So you will get this Visual Studio Code. Once you download this, I have already created one folder that you can create in your system, and you can open that folder from here, open folder, right? I hope this is pretty much clear for you guys. Now, second thing, what you have to do is really important. Go to the extension. From here, you can use Python, and it will give you a Python extension which you can install in your system. Just click on that and it will automatically install. So how it will going to look like? It will going to look like this. Once you have the Python extension in your system, it will start showing here. Okay, I hope this is pretty much clear for you guys. Now go to your folder. Here you have to create one file. You can create from here. Wait a minute. This is file. Okay, that you can give as sample.py. Okay, so that file extension should always be .py if you are using Python. If you are using TypeScript, that will be .ts. So these are the way you can write of a Java. There will be a Java file, right? Now, once you've done this, what you can do is you can write your first code in Python. So okay, so what you have done, you have installed the Python successfully, then you install the Visual Studio Code, and now you can run your first code in Python. So let me paste here. Now there is a two ways to run this. Wait a minute, there is some space copied here. Okay, that we can type also, but I just wanted to showcase you. Okay, so what you have to do is how you can run this particular Python file. So you can run from here. There is a right side you can see as a run Python file, or you can run Python from terminal as well, where you can write as Python sample.py. It means that you are giving command or instructions to Python and saying that, hey Python, run this particular file which name as sample.py. So what Python will going to do is Python will going to run that file inside whatever the code is there, it will going to execute here. So basically it means that your interpreter, what it will going to do is taking the instruction from you, and it will going to convert that in a machine language so that computer can understand that, and then it will give you the results. So like this you can use the Python. So you have successfully written and executed your first Python program. So happy guys, now see you soon in the next video.